2D reflection. 2D reflection in computer graphics refers to the process of flipping an object over a line or an axis in a two-dimensional space. Reflection is achieved by transforming each point in the object using a reflection matrix. Here is an example to demonstrate 2D reflection in computer graphics. Suppose we have a square with the vertices 1, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, and 3, 1, and we want to reflect it over the x-axis. The steps to perform the reflection would be as follows. Represent the original square by its vertices in a 2D coordinate system. Define the line or axis of reflection, in this case the x-axis. For each vertex in the square, transform its coordinates using the 2D reflection matrix. X is equal to x. Y is equal to y, where x, y are the original coordinates of the vertex, x, y are the reflected coordinates. Plot the reflected square using the updated vertices. Repeat the reflection as many times as desired to achieve the desired effect. In computer graphics, 2D reflection is a fundamental operation that is used in many different applications, including image processing, animation, and user interfaces. The simplicity and versatility of the 2D reflection operation make it an important tool for a wide range of computer graphics applications. Like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.